Okay, we are set up for the copper. What we have are the molds that were requested. Let's see, we're going to pour a long strip of copper for a copper cup. We're going to pour the Indian, and then if I have enough left over, we will do the airplane, my favorite, and maybe even one of the fish. Here are the 1 pound copper bars. I got 3 of those in there. Double forge is at heat, and we are all set.
The church bells are ringing, secretary's singing, preachers preaching, can't you hear the sisters shout? Children in the pulpit, trying to learn my song. Oh, that Sunday school teacher, she took my man and gone. My older brother had 'em, and my sister had 'em, my auntie had 'em, my mama died with 'em. Woke up this morning, family's got the worry blues. Poked my head around the corner, and my poor grandmammy had 'em too. You know, I did more for you, Daddy, way last winter. Scuffled through summer, way into the fall. I did more for you, Daddy, than the good Lord ever had done. Came downtown, brought you good ham, the Lord never gave you one. And you stayed off from me Monday through Friday, looked for you Sunday, swear you were just here. When I tried to leave you, would not let go of my heel. I did not want to beg, and I sure didn't know how to steal.
There they are. Check out the fish. Whoa, he is awesome. Let's see what he weighs. Oh, I guess I should do it on the normal scale, huh? Because copper you're not supposed to weigh in troy. It's supposed to be acidophilus.
You come home one of these mornings, sister, find you can't get in. Say don't let them come around here singing that old song, telling me lies and made me want to do wrong. Stop that rabbit putting lucky in my hand. You wait too long, gonna have to find yourself another man. Now my mama got a hatchet, my daddy got an axe, sister got some shepherds, my brother got some hounds. Oh, some like the yellow, some just like the teasing brown.